Hi everybody. In the previous video I talked about the generalities and concepts of the quadratic equation. First of all, let me tell you an important thing. If you decide to solve a math problem, you must follow rules. Remember that math is a set of rules and creativity. For instance, x squared plus 7x plus 10 equals 0. We have quadratic trinomial. I mean a, b, and c are numbers and not 0. Notice there is no number in front of x squared, or the coefficient of x squared is 1. In next video, I'll promise to solve a quadratic equation that the leading coefficient is a number other than 1. Rule 1. If x1 and x2 are roots of a quadratic equation in the form of x squared plus bx plus c equals 0, it can be written as x squared minus sx plus p equals 0. So s is sum of roots x1 plus x2, and p is product of roots. x1 times x2. This is a good formula to solve a quadratic equation by factoring. In fact, we came halfway to finding the answer. Okay, I write two parentheses and leave it open. To get x squared, I need an x and x. X times x is x squared. Then I'm looking for factors of 10. I mean two numbers that multiply to get the constant, which is positive 10, and the same two numbers that add up to get the coefficient of x, which is positive 7. So factors of 10. Can you guess what? I think in my head, and it needs trial and error. So factors of 10, 1, 2, 5, 10. 1 times 10 equals 10. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. I tell you over again, I need two numbers that multiply to get positive 10, and the same two numbers that add up to get positive 7. 1 plus 10 equals 11, so I don't need it. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 plus 5 equals 7. So the answer works, and I write here x plus 2x plus 5. Rule 2. As I said, math is a set of rules and creativity. Multiplying two values and get 0 out. Let me put it more simply. If we multiply two values and the answer is 0, at least one of the values multiplying is 0. So either x plus 2 equals 0 or x plus 5 equals 0. Rule 3. If a quadratic equation is factorable, it is factored into the product of two linear binomials. So we have two linear binomials. If you have a case like this, listen to me carefully. The coefficient of x is 1, and we have positive 2. Add negative 2 to both sides. 2 will cancel out, or canceling the 2. So x equals negative 2. And the same for x plus 5 equals 0. The coefficient of x is 1. We have positive 5. Add negative 5 to both sides. 5 will cancel out, or canceling the 5. So x equals negative 5. To understand better, let me give another example. X squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. Here is negative 7, but there we have positive 7. As I explained here, factors of 10. Let me tell you again, I need factors of 10. I need two numbers that multiply to get positive 10 and the same two numbers that add up to get negative 7. So I write two parentheses and leave it open. To get x squared, I need an x and x. Having this in mind that we use the correct sign in the middle. So factors of 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 plus 5 equals 7. But we have negative 7. It is negative 2, negative 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. A negative times a negative is positive. Negative 2 plus negative 5 equals negative 7. So it's x minus 2x minus times x minus 5. As I explained here, x equals 2 and x equals 5. Very good. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.